This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil on a Ram 2500 diesel. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and quantity of new diesel engine oil, typically around 12 quarts, and a fresh oil filter. Always park your truck on a level surface and engage the parking brake to ensure safety throughout the process. This preparation makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old oil out. Carefully slide your drain pan under the engine, positioning it directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using the correct size socket, loosen and remove the drain plug, allowing the used oil to flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, you can then remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be ready for a little extra oil to come out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. First, apply a thin film of fresh oil to the rubber gasket of your new oil filter. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn with your wrench. Next, reinstall the drain plug, making sure it's tight but not over-tightened. Finally, pour in the recommended amount of new diesel engine oil, typically around 12 quarts, through the fill cap. Almost done. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully checking for any leaks around the new oil filter and drain plug. Once the engine has run, turn it off and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level on your dipstick. Top off if needed. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic resource. You can find a link to that book and other deals in the description below. Remember to properly dispose of your used oil and filter at an approved recycling center. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.